Welcome and thank you for joining me. Today we are going to be making a very simple, delicious Ninja orange bundt cake. I'll be baking this cake in my Ninja, and I got this bundt cake pan as a gift from one of my subscribers and friend. I want to really thank you and appreciate you. So we're going to put it to use today and see how it comes out. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll be right back and we'll go through the ingredients together. Welcome back. So for our Ninja orange bundt cake, you need half a cup of butter at room temperature. And I have put extra here to grease the pan. So you need to be very generous when you're greasing this pan. Here I have 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and baking soda, 3/4 cup granulated sugar. Here I have 1 lemon. We're just going to be using the zest from the lemon. So about 1 to 2 teaspoons of lemon zest should be fine. And over here I have 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. This will help to keep your cake very soft and moist. And here I have extra all-purpose flour. So when we grease the pan, we are also going to flour it so that it's going to come out easily. Here I have 2 eggs at room temperature. And over here I have 3 oranges. So I need about 3/4 cups of freshly squeezed orange juice. So I just put 3 there. I might just end up using 2 and use 1 for garnish. And here I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And like I said, I have my bundt cake pan. So we're going to be using that. And then I'm going to be using my stand mixer. So you need your paddle attachments. And then I have my grater here to zest my orange and lemon. And also here I have a small whisk. And so we are also going to be using orange zest. So I'm going to use about 2 to 3 tablespoons of orange zest. And then for the lemon zest, I'll just use 2 teaspoons. If you are baking in the oven, you have to preheat 350 degrees Fahrenheit. But because I'm baking in the Ninja, I'm going to preheat 325. So the Ninja is always minus 25. So we're just going to get started. I'll mix the dry ingredients together, set that aside. And then we're going to start to cream our butter first. I'll be right back and just keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So these are all-purpose flour. I'm going to add the cornstarch. And I'm just going to whisk all my dry ingredients together. Sorry, I'm not gonna. And this is the baking powder. And the salt and baking soda. So just gonna whisk like so. Okay. And I'm gonna set this aside. going to lift it up and see. Are you ready? I'm going to see what it looks like. It's really hot, like super hot. Whoa. So we're going to cut into it and see what it looks like. I'm going to be using my tomato bagel knife. I did an unboxing of this recently on my channel if you want to check it out. So I'm just going to see if I can go into the groove. It's really soft and moist. And it smells amazing, of course. So I used a lot of orange zest and lemon zest just to give me that, I wanted to say oomph, but I don't know if I can say that. Okay, it's so gorgeous. Do you see the color? Like, it's so beautiful. You can, and it's so moist and really succulent. So this is a really good and easy recipe, and I'm just going to show you back this one where I cut it out from. I hope you can see it there. So that will be all for this episode in Bloom's Kitchen. Until next time when I bring you another exciting recipe, have a blessed and wonderful day. Thank you.